everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. We're out here with another banger. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh guys, follow me on Instagram, King Fresh, _I King. I'm gonna put it down below. And forget to follow me on those social medias. That way you can see behind the scenes and stuff that I do throughout the day. It feels like takeovers and stuff like that. So the bumper's done, guys. At least his plates are on. What's up, man? What's up? What's up, man? Nice to meet you. Hey, hey. Oh, what's up? I love how the neighbors are out, like they're just like out here like, oh, what's going on? We got the dogs wild out, we got the little kids out here with the blankets on. Hey guys, so we have the chopper right now, so we're gonna be going to another location right now. This spot was wild right now. There was a car crash already and everything. We got the neighbors outside as well, just chilling on their phones. At least they're not calling the cops. So the cops just pulled up as soon as we left. People are just smashing out of here. Alright guys, so we're going into the next location, but there's a train right there passing by, so we're like gonna go on like a little timeout break right now. We have the badass GTO right here. He has these beautiful little gauges here just for the fuck of it. What's the point of that? What does it tell you?
You know, man, it tells me when I'm winning and shit, you know?
There you go, guys. If your GTO has this, it tells you when you're fucking winning. CTSV versus the GTO. Oh, GTO for the win, baby! Right? All you do is win him. Go. Smacked again. GTO versus CTSV. GTO for the win, baby. Just let you know, he's not stopped. Ready? 130. Alright, ready? 40 now. Uh-oh, GTO versus GTO for the win. Hey, what does the gauges say right now?
I mean, hold on. This one, no, I mean, according to my gauge, I think I won that last race.
Yeah, it says W on it. Wow. Oh, cops, we got the cops pulling up. Where's everyone? We got 2 cops pulling up. We got the cops in the back. This guy's here in the front of us. It's like a traffic jam right now.
Back up,
Hey, watch out! Let him back up, Tesla.
Tesla, I know.
We're having a whistling contest out here, guys. I'm about to whip out my dick right now. Alright, so cops just pulled up right now after the whistling contest.
I'm fucking getting dizzy.
Yeah, we get more dizzy like this. What the hell?
Yo, I feel like I'm drunk.
Forward too? God damn. New to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. This guy's literally hanging out right here, look. Just hanging through his pubic hairs. We got the taxi driver just left his taxi right there, and he's gonna go record a couple of the turn burnouts right now. The driver's having fun. Dejó el taxi y vino a ver el show, ¿eh? Eso es todo. We got them bikes making them clouds out here. So the cop left because we're actually out here just eating tacos. While everybody's fighting with the cop over there, I'm just chilling right here waiting for my salad fries to come out. You waiting for our fries? Got my napkins ready. People are actually cheering that the cops came. Another backup highway patrol came. None of them have gotten off the car yet though. Shout out to the taco truck again for hooking it up with the free meal. We got the mango. Oh.
You better pay me.
Oh, salió caro. Salió caro. He's out here having a good time. Damn. Hella hands, baby. Hella hands. Hey, thank you. Shout out. Shout out. I got an umbrella. It's raining right now, so it's really slippery right now. My favorite Mustang's here, baby. Let's go. Hey, appreciate it for the umbrella, bro. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Victoria's Secret umbrella never fails.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, bro. Oh. Damn. He's flexing out here. Very poppin'. Very poppin'. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cave Gang, let's go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.